Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Adrianne. So today's video is going to be a review on this. It's not new, it's new to me. I've never tried it before, but I've heard the rave of this Wetline Extreme gel. I heard it's in comparison to the Eco Styler gel, and I really like the Eco Styler. It smells fruity. So I'm gonna go ahead and review this for you guys and try it on my hair. I'm wearing gloves because I just recently colored my hair, or just, you know, retouched my red color. So my hair is freshly washed and deep conditioned and colored, or, you know, rinsed, or whatever you want to call it. I think I'm gonna do a side part today. I'm gonna go ahead and section my hair off. I won't be using a leave-in today. I'm gonna just try this gel strictly on its own. This gel, I purchased it from Target. They didn't have it here at my local Target, so I had to order it online. And if you don't know, if you have a Target red card or debit card, you get free shipping on anything. So they shipped me this $3 gel for free. Now, I've seen plenty of reviews on this gel, but like I said, this is my first time actually trying it. So I'm gonna go ahead and just apply it to my hair like I normally do. I'm going to use my spray bottle here. This came from Sally's, and it's just a continuous spray bottle. I'm gonna just wet this section of hair so my hair can be soaking wet, so I can get the full effect. So like I said, this tub here is 35.28 ounces of gel, and I'm gonna just take a good generous amount of it. I'm going to use about that much on this section. And of course, start at the roots. Nice. Okay. Nice. Look at my curls, look really good. Okay, maybe I can see what the hype is on this. This is what my curls are looking like. Really nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply it to this section and let you guys listen to some music and watch me do my hair.
I've been doing my own thing. Love is always had a way of having that timing.
Alright, so here is the product all distributed throughout my hair. My curls are really nice, and the product felt really good going through my hair. Like, I didn't have any jags, so it had a lot of slip to it, or enough slip. And I don't know if it's because I have gloves on or what, but it feels really good inside my hair and made my curls clump together. And so far, I like it. So we'll see how my hair looks in a couple of days. I'm gonna let it air dry here. And I put this in my hair very quickly. I mean, 9 minutes and my whole head was done, and I put it all in my hair. So I'm gonna let this dry and let it air dry for a couple of hours, and then I'll come back and show you guys what it looks like. But so far, so good for a $3 wash and go. So stay tuned. Good morning, guys. This is the second day. Last night I let my hair air dry, and then I actually just kind of blow dried it a little bit because it was still kind of wet. So So I just did my banding method of what I normally do. I already made a video on that. If you guys want to watch it, just click right here. My hair has a crunch to it, a gel cast to it. So and my hair was a little wet yesterday, so it wasn't fully dry, but I still just went ahead and banded it even after I blow dried it, and then that was it. So this is what my hair is looking like on day one. Of course, I never like my hair on day one, so I don't expect to like this one. But my hair, like I said, does have a gel cast on it, so I'm gonna try to break that up with a little bit of avocado oil on my hands, just a little bit, because I don't want my hair to be weighed down or greasy. So I'm gonna just kind of do the praying hands method, and not too much because I don't want to create any frizz. But usually day one my hair just like is very limp like this, so this is what I expect. The older my hair gets, the more I love it. So I don't know how people can wash their hair every 3 days, because I'm like, I work too hard for day 3 or 4 hair, so I'm like, why would I wash it out? So I don't know, I wash my hair once a week and that's good enough for me. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and just try to style this as much as possible for today. But this is what it looks like. I don't have any flakes at all, so that's a good sign. And I'm just trying to fluff it. And this is about all I'm gonna do for today, honestly. And just kind of wear it like this for today, and then come Friday, I'm sure I'll love it. But of course, you know how I do. I come back to show you day 3, 4, and 5 hair. So this is day 1. Don't love it, but I never do. So this is day 1 hair. All right, so this is day 2 hair, and I don't know how I feel about this gel. My hair is still hard, but my roots are kind of lifting because I put gel on my roots, so my roots weren't lifting yesterday. But now since I piled up on my hair last night, they're moving a little bit more today, and it's getting a little bit softer, but it still don't have that volume that I want. So I'm going to try to pick the life out of my hair, and see if I can get that big voluminous hair that I like to have. Because right now, I mean, you can kind of hear the gel on my roots. It's kind of hard to break up. So I'm not in love with this gel yet. I see the definition. My hair doesn't look dry. It still feels, you know, moisturized, but it does feel hard, like really hard. So yeah, this is day 2 hair. But I'm gonna try to break up the hardness in it. I don't know if I use too much gel or what. I don't know. But yeah, this is day 2 hair. So alright guys, I just took my hair down. Today is day 5. Wait, today's Friday. I washed my hair Monday, so Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Today's day 4 actually. And usually by day 4 I'm like loving my hair. I'm gonna give you a quick review on this real quick while I'm doing this, because I'm ready to wash my hair. The gel is a no-go for me. As you can see, my hair had a lot of definition. I can't lie about that. My hair is super divine, but my hair was so hard where it had no volume to it. So my hair was just kind of lifeless, you know. It was defined but lifeless. And because I put that gel on my roots wouldn't give the volume that I wanted. So I know everybody raves about this gel, but for me, on its own with no leave-in, was a no. I don't like a hard gel cast, I don't mind it, but I think if I would have used a leave-in, it probably would have had better results. So I may try doing it with a leave-in next week. I just don't feel like I gave it a fair chance without a leave-in. I just think it's too hard on its own. So I really don't have a lot of frizz. It's literally just lifeless. My hair doesn't have any. I like big hair. Like my hair is really big come day 4 and 5, and I just feel like it's kind of just okay. As far as my hair, it doesn't look dry or anything like that, so that's kind of a good thing. Being I didn't use a leave-in, my hair still does look, you know, moisturized. just hard. I just don't like hard hair. So yeah, that's my final thoughts on this. This is day 4 hair, and this is going to be the end of this one. Right now I'm still ride or die for Eco still is better to me. Eco doesn't leave this hard of a gel cache, or this hard of, it doesn't leave my hair this hard. So yeah, so that's where I stand. If you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to give me a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe on your way out, and I will check you out in my next video. Mwah. Bye guys.